Hello friends, welcome to Math Succeed Basic Trigonometry tutorial. In this video, you will learn about types of triangles. After watching this lesson, you should be able to identify a triangle and its features. You will learn about triangles, triangle types based on angles, which are acute triangle, right triangle, and obtuse triangle. Triangle types based on sides, which are isosceles triangles, equilateral triangles, and scalene triangle. Triangle is a shape with three sides and any two sides make an angle internally. And there are three sides and three angles in any triangle. One of the basic property of triangle is that sum of all the angles is 180 degrees. You will learn about other properties in future lessons. The triangle are classified into types based on either angles or sides. The area of triangle is base into height divided by 2, and the perimeter or outer boundary of triangle equals sum of all three sides. The triangle ABC has three sides, 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 7 centimeter, where base length is 8 centimeter and height h is 6 centimeter. Find the area and perimeter of the triangle ABC. So we know that area of triangle is equal to base into height divided by 2. Therefore, 8 into 6 divided by 2 is equal to 24 centimeter square. Perimeter is sum of all side lengths, which is equal to 7 plus 8 plus 7, which is equal to 22 centimeter. The triangle ABC makes three angles. The sum of two angles is 110 degrees. Find the third angle. We know that sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, the sum of two angles is 110 degrees, and therefore the angle of third side is 180 degree minus 110, which is 70 degree. Based on types of angles, a triangle can be classified into acute triangles, right triangles, and obtuse triangles. Now, the acute triangles are angles that are less than 90 degree. Right angle is an angle that is equal to 90 degrees, and obtuse angle is angles that are greater than 90 degrees. You need to remember this. And in the acute triangles, all angles in the triangle is less than 90 degrees. In this example, angle A, B and C are acute angles. Therefore, the triangle is an acute triangle. In the right triangle, one of the side is 90 degree, indicated with a little square, and remaining two angles are acute angles. So in this example, triangle ABC, angle P is 90 degree and angle A and angle C are acute. In the obtuse triangles, one angle is greater than 90 degree and the other two angles are acute. So in the triangle ABC, angle C is obtuse, means greater than 90 degree, and angle A and angle C are acute. Triangles can also be classified based on sides given. They can be isosceles triangles, equilateral triangles, or scalene triangle. In the isosceles triangle, there are two equal sides and two equal angles. So for example, the triangle ABC is isosceles triangle with side A equal B and angle A equal to angle B. A triangle is equilateral when all sides are equal and all angles are 60 degrees. The triangle in the example is equilateral because sides A, B, C are equal and angle A, angle B and angle C are equal to 60 degree. So also angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree because sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. A scalene triangle is something that has no equal sides or equal angles. In this example, side A, side B and side C are not equal, and angle A, angle B and angle C are also different. However, other triangle properties applies to such triangle. For example, triangle inequality property, which is sum of lengths of any two sides of a triangle, is always greater than the third side. So now we recap everything that you learned in this lesson. You learned about triangles, sum of angle properties, and triangle inequality property, which is sum of lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. You learned about types of triangles based on angle measures, which are acute, right and obtuse triangles. You also learn about types of triangles based on side lengths, and these are isosceles triangles, and then equilateral triangles whose sides are equal, and scalene triangle.